Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Freepik and Krea. In order to do so, here we are at Freepik.com, and Freepik really offers a lot. There's a lot packed into Freepik.com. It's a great platform. We'll just explore some of the potential limitations that you might find here, but let's do an overview of everything that you can find with Freepik. We can replace details, we can create videos, we can change aspect ratios, we can use custom characters, we can just do a lot here. There is a ton to find with Freepik. If you're looking for a platform where you can just get really a big bang for your buck, you might want to take a look at Freepik. Let's just take a look here at the images. You can generate an image, you can upscale an image. There's just a ton here. It really is like there's just so much. We'll just keep on going here. Vectors, we can create illustrations, AI illustrations. We can use a custom AI illustration. We can animate images, do video. We can animate AI illustrations. We've got designs here, creating an Instagram post, mock-ups if you want to do a mock-up for a specific product, customize a t-shirt. We've got icons. You can generate stickers. We've got sound effects, voiceovers. There is just a ton here to explore. Let's go ahead and see here with the AI suite. You can see just a better snapshot here of what everything Freepik has. So we have our image generator, video generator, image upscaler. We can retouch, reimagine, background remover, expand, edit our images, video upscaler, lip sync, video sound effects, video editor, sketch to image, mockup generator, designer. I mean, Freepik is really kind of an all-in-one type of a platform. There's a lot here packed into it. The fact that it has lip sync, that's notable. Not every platform has lip sync. And the thing is with Freepik is that it's actually using, it's piggybacking on different sites. So let me show you what I mean by that. If we head over to our video editor here, I guess we have the same thing over here, but let's see. It's just taking a few moments to think about it. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this is actually a video editor. This is a little bit different than what I was looking at over here. Let's take a look at this here. So you can see here we are in the dashboard, and this is for for generating videos. So you could see here that we can click on where it says mode, and if we click on that and we scroll down, then you're going to see that you have access to all of the top models here. We've got Google VO2, we've got Kling, we've got Minimax, we've got Runway, we've got Huanyan. So Freepik is kind of piggybacking on the other platforms that are out there. And so it is a really good all-in-one platform that you can take advantage of. Now, one thing I will point out is if you use Freepik, so I tend to use Kling. That's been the one that I've gravitated towards. And the reason being is because all of the controls that Kling offers, it's really an all-in-one package when it comes to video editing. I mean, it really gives you camera controls, it gives you lip sync, and also the results are very nice. So with something like Freepik, you don't necessarily have access to all of the same controls that you would have if you were using the actual platform. So like you can use Runway, you can use Minimax and Kling, but it's all going to be within the Freepik interface here. And so there are going to be some limitations in that regard. Now, another thing to point out as well is that Freepik, while it does offer some basic functions that you can use for free, it is a little bit stingier with the credits. It doesn't give you too much to use. You can get started and you can play around with it a bit. I believe that you can generate images. So that is the thing that it does stand out, is that you can generate images. Now, depending on what you're using, because I believe it does have, yes, it does have different models here that you can use. And so you can see for yourself that some of the models you are going to need the the upgraded, you're going to need a subscription in order to take advantage of them. But you do have access to Flux 1.0 Fast. So that's kind of nice that you can do that. But you'll find that with a lot of the options, you are going to need that subscription to really take advantage of it. So that's something to take note of. Now I am noticing here that suddenly I've got some okay, so this is for, okay, so it is actually limited. You get 20 images with the Flux model. So it's not unlimited, but you can definitely come here to Freepik, and there's a certain amount of stuff that you will be able to use, but just keep an eye open for that upgrade logo there, because that's gonna tell you if you can take advantage of that or not, or if you're gonna have to upgrade in order to take advantage of it. But as far as everything that Freepik offers, I mean, it really does have a lot here packed in. And if you're looking for a platform that's just an all-in-one platform that you could take advantage of, Freepik is really doing some cool stuff. You can see here the lip sync, you got to upgrade. Now let's take a look at Crea. And I will say that with Crea, I am really quite happy with, I use Crea quite a bit. I've kind of, at some point I started gravitating in that direction because I found that they are really quite generous with their free credits. They do offer daily credits, and some of the, of what you can do here is free. Like for example, we're using the WAN 2.1 model for our video generation, and I'm not seeing that it spent any credits in order to do that. So let's just take a look here at the results. We've got our rock star singing in front of a burning bus, and the results are pretty cool. I mean, it looks, there's a little bit of morphing and kind of weirdness going on there, but I mean, you know, for a free generator, something that you can use whenever you want, I mean, that's pretty awesome. And one thing that I really like with Crea is I do like using its enhancer. So if we go up here to the top, we have, we can upload images, and we can do some really cool stuff with this. So I'll give you an example. So you can see here, this is something that I did with the enhancer. Really nice there, but there you go. With the enhancer, you get just so much more detail, and it really is quite beautiful. So that's something that I really like to use with Crea, and the fact that they are generous with the credits, I really like that, because if I'm going to pay money for something, then I do want to test it out. And also I do feel like when a company is helpful with the credits, it makes me more inclined to want to pay for that subscription. So you can see here that with Crea, you get a lot of what you get with Freepik as well. We get upscaling, we get video generation, image generation, and you get those free credits on a daily basis. So that's a really nice reason to come back. Let's just go ahead and take a look here at our video generation, and we'll just kind of come down here to the model. And so we have a few models that we can take advantage of. Okay, so now this did update. So it did say that we have 100%ed our daily credits. Let's see there. Okay, so I guess I have to take that back. I will say that when it comes to the upscaling, I have used the upscaler, and I've been able to do quite a bit of upscaling before I hit that 100% daily limit. But it does seem as though they're a bit stingier there with the video generation, but you can get like about a single video generation, it seems like, per day. So I have to take that back. I apologize for that. But you can see here that we have access to a lot of the same video generators that Crea does, or that Freepik does as well. We've got Wanyan, we've got WAN 2.1, we've got Pika, Vio, Halu, 01 Live, Luma, Ray 2, Runway, Kling. I mean, it's all here. Again, the main reason that you might not want to take advantage of the video here is just because, like I said, with Kling has a lot of additional controls and stuff that you're going to get on their site that you're not necessarily going to get here on the Crea site. So that just gives you an idea of the difference between Crea and Freepik. They are quite similar in many ways. However, Crea is much more open with their credits so you can play around. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find information on our upcoming webinars, as well as links to our top AI tool recommendations and roamless eSIM. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.